to show that any number, in this case 35, is a solution to this equation below here, simply pick up the 35 and substitute it in for the variable right here. See what I mean? And now, after substituting, we can verify that both sides are now balanced. See? The left side and the right side both come out to 85, and we are good. Let's do it again. Right here. We could pick up 288. Whoops. We can pick up 288 right here and substitute it in for the variable in the equation below. And just click on the number. Let's click on that division operation right there. And look at that. Left side is 24, right side is 24. We've just verified that's a solution to that equation. So to verify that any number is a solution to an equation, simply pick it up and substitute it in for the variable where it has to go.